Welcome to DebugBench, the place where consoles come back to life. Today we're investigating a PS3 Slim with stubborn yellow light of death. Watch closely. One green light, then 3 beeps. Yellow light, red blinking light. But there's more. Check the HDD light. Nothing. Not even a blink. Now I'll plug in the controller. Weird. Direct. Try to power it on that way. Still nothing. No lights, no response. It's like the console doesn't want to boot. So today we're going deep inside. Let's open it up. From outside it's spotless, but inside it's a whole different story. At first, this PS3 Slim showed a classic yellow light of death behavior, flashing red light with 3 beeps right after pressing power. No HDD activity, no controller response, just dead silence. But something changed. After removing the motherboard and probing its voltages, the console suddenly started to behave differently. Now it powers on with a green light for about a minute, no video, no fun spin up, and then shuts down with 3 beeps again. It's almost like the system thinks it's alive, but it's not. .3 volt standby voltage present. Thermal sensor seems active, but the 12-volt rail never turns on, not even for a split second. Now, based on these results, it's very likely that the cell CPU has shorted internally. But there's a chance it's just bad solder under the BGA. In the next video I'll hurt the cell with quality flux and see if we can revive that 12-volt line. I'm using my own custom built Revoke station, Not pretty, but gets the job done. If this kind of deep repair interests you, don't forget to subscribe.